Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you how to on your iPad how to check your battery health. Alright, so in case you want to know what your battery health is and the condition of the battery, it's very easy. And of course, just like on your iPhone or the iDevices, you can actually check the battery health. Alright, so to do that, go ahead and go to your settings. You're going to be in the main menu. So of course, this is the main menu here. All right, so from here, once you're in the main menu, you're gonna go ahead and what you're gonna do guys is you're gonna go ahead and go to battery. And of course it's right here, it's the green icon top. And you're gonna see your battery and your current health. I'm at 38% battery in terms of capacity. That's how much battery I have remaining. But you want battery health, so it's right here. Notice it says normal, but you can get more detail. Go ahead and top. And there you go. And it gives me the breakdown. Notice it says here and it says maximum capacity 100. All right, so I have 38% battery remaining charge on this device, but it's telling me that my battery health is 100. Now 100 indicates that the battery health is good. So of course the battery is brand new, and of course it says maximum capacity 100. And of course, depending on how long you've been using your device, it will continue to go down. All right, now check this out guys. Cycle count is 2, meaning that the device has been fully charged to 100 2 times, meaning it has cycled through 100% battery count 2 times. All right, so the health is good. And of course, if you were like down to anything under 80, probably 75, 80, anything under 80 would mean that it's probably recommended that you change your battery. All right, and of course it shows you when it was activated. As you can see here, my battery was manufactured here November 2025, and of course first use was in March 2026. And you can know exactly what's going on in terms of your battery, in terms of its capacity and so on. So this is a brand new device, and of course you can, if you want, limit the battery to 80% if you want to have it last longer. All right, and as you can see, the battery health is normal, so it's not recommended that you change anything here, but you can keep an eye on it. So for longest battery life or battery health, limit it to 80%, and that will significantly help the life of the battery. All right, so I'll end the tutorial here, and that's how to check your battery health on the iPad. This is a A16 11th generation iPad, which one of the newest devices out on the market. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye. Hey guys, it's Ricardo here. Bye.